Hello everybody. Today we're going to do lesson 5.10 on markups and discount problems. This is one you're going to see a lot when you go shopping. They mark things up and they take off discounts when they go on sale. So you're going to be seeing this a lot. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil and a calculator. And remember, you can pause the video whenever you need to catch up. So this page is going to go into your notes. Pause the video if you need to, but this is going to go into your notes. We're going to talk about what a discount and a markup is. Stores frequently discount or markup items. Discounts are subtracted, markups are added. The selling price or the sale price is the amount that the customer ends up paying. This is what we normally do down here. This is our percent proportion. We put the percent over 100. We put the original price down on the bottom. And then our discount or markup is on the top. And again, 100 is what we normally do. So then if we're doing a markup, we take the original price plus the markup. Or we take that original price and we subtract the discount. Please make sure you read the questions carefully and see what they are asking for. So let's do our first problem. Number 1, we're going to find the discount or markup, then find the final selling price, round to the nearest cent when necessary. So we're going to set up, let me make sure I have a pen here, not the highlighter. There we go. We're going to set up our percent proportion. The jeans were $58, so that's going to go on the bottom. It's 15% off, so I'm going to put the 15 over 100. And like I normally do, I know I can multiply by 0.15. So I'm going to take 58 times 0.15. Sorry, that should be a decimal point. And I get $8.70. So it is a discount. So our discount is $8.70. Our selling price, because it's a discount, we're going to subtract. So I'm going to do $58 minus the $8.70, and I get a selling price of $49.30. So now let's go on to number 2. Again, I'm going to set up our percent proportion. The tablet is $492. That's going to go on the bottom. That's the whole price. And we're going 20% off. So I can either divide by 5 or I can multiply by 0.20. Usually divide by 5 works better. It's a little bit easier. When I divide by 5, I get $98.40. So my discount is $98.40. So I'm going to subtract that from $492, and I get a selling price of $393.60. Let's try a couple markups. Set up our percent proportion. The wedding dress is $625, so we're going to put that on the bottom. We have a 3% markup. So I'm going to multiply by 0.03, or if I wanted to, I could multiply by 6.25. Either way would work. And I get a markup of $18.75. So our markup is $18.75. So I'm going to take $6.25 plus that $18.75. And my selling price is going to be $643.75. So let's do the sofa over here. We got a little bit of a bigger number. We've got 40% markup, so that's going to go over the 100. The sofa is $1,490.95. So I'm going to go this way, and I'm going to multiply by 0.4. So I'm going to multiply by 0.4 over here. Definitely use a calculator with those big numbers, but I get a markup of $596.38. $596.38 is the markup. So I'm going to add that on, 96.38, to my number, my original price, and the selling price is $2,087.33. So let's just try some basic ones here. Word problems. EB Games purchased Wii memory cards for $40 each. That's the wholesale price. That is our original price. That's what they bought them for. Then they sell the memory cards for 25% over the price. Over means we're going to add it on. So do it easy. I can multiply by 0.25 or I can divide by 4. Well, divide by 4, we can do this one in our head. I'm sure 40 divided by 4 is 10. So we have to read the question. What is the markup or retail price of the memory cards at Wii? So I'm going to add it on to the 40 and I get $50. Here's our markup. We add it on and we're selling it for $50. So let's try this one. And again, I'm going to start with our percent proportion. A video game is discounted by 60%. Well, 60 is going to go over 100. It's discounted, so I'm going to subtract it. The original price of the video game is 30. That's going to go on the bottom. I want to know what is the sale price, so that means I'm going to subtract it. So let's find it first. We're going to multiply by 0.6, or I can go this way and multiply by 3/10. Either way, I'm going to get $18. So now I'm going to do 30 minus that 18. I'm selling that video game for $12. Let's do example number 3. And again, we're going to set up our percent proportion. Tickets to a Timberwolves game used to cost $25 each. That's going to be our original price over here. After being marked up 15%, so marked up means we're going to add, 15% goes over 100. How much will each seat cost for next season? Well, I'm going to do it the easy way. I'm going to divide by 4. So 15 divided by 4, that's going to give me $3.75. So marked up, I'm going to add 25 plus $3.75. Tickets this season for those seats are going to be $28.75, and there's our answer. Let's do one more before I give you guys the homework. So we're setting up our percent proportion. A movie theater was offering a 10% discount off. So that means we're going to subtract. 10% goes over 100. They're $14 tickets. So 14 goes down here to the first 100 people in line to see the new Amazing Spider-Man film. What is the new price for you if you're one of the first 100 people? Well, let's do it the easy way. We're going to divide by 10. So 14 divided by 10 is going to give us $1.40. It's a discount, so we're subtracting. So $14 minus the $1.40. If we're one of the first 100 people, we're going to pay $12.60. Your homework is in Schoology. So you're going to do the 510 homework. It's in Schoology. If you were in class, you got a paper copy of it. Otherwise, the PDF is in Schoology. If you have any questions, please let me know.